Hey, welcome to Brașov, Romania, your one-stop shop for everything mountains, vampires, and good times in Romania. Our hostel is located in an incredible area within 2 minutes walking distance to the bus stop. They will take you to the train station in about 10 to 15 minutes. Also, everything is located within a short walking distance. All the touristic attractions are nearby. We have lots of coffee shops, restaurants, good places to visit. Everything is close by and accessible. Welcome to our TV room and lounge area. We've got computers available. We've got a printer, so you can print all your documents. We've got guidebooks, board games. We've got a TV set and video games on consoles if you want to play. We want our guests to feel at home, so our kitchen has everything you need to cook your own meals. We've got a fridge to store your food and tag it. Breakfast is also included in the price of your reservation, and coffee and tea is available 24/7. Our hostel has private rooms, but for the budget traveler, we have common rooms as well. Our mattresses are super comfortable. We provide fresh and clean linen and towels. Also, every bed has its own locker where you can store your valuables and backpack, and high-speed Wi-Fi is available throughout the hostel. We take pride in having our hostel clean all the time, including our showers and toilets. There's hot water running 24/7, and also the towels are included in the price of your reservation. So now that you've seen our hostel, I hope you're gonna come over for a visit. We'll do our best to make your stay as comfortable and as amazing as we can.